Commercial agriculture is evolving. Today's growers need technology that delivers higher yields, greater efficiency, and scalable infrastructure. But upgrading lighting systems has traditionally required massive upfront capital. That's why Fohse LED is introducing lighting as a service, built specifically for commercial agriculture. Install world-class LED lighting with no money down, and pay a simple monthly service fee. With up to $25 million in capital available per facility, qualified growers can deploy advanced lighting systems immediately. No delays, no capital bottlenecks. Growers gain access to industry-leading fixtures including the Cobra Pro 700 and 1000 watt systems, the powerful 121 AG 1000 watt fixture, and the advanced Kalios lighting system, engineered for maximum output, uniform canopy coverage, and energy efficiency. Our team works directly with growers to install lighting systems built for large-scale commercial production, with full installation as part of the service. Because it's delivered as a service, the lighting does not appear as a depreciating asset or debt on your books. This is truly off-balance sheet financing, allowing you to upgrade your facility while preserving capital and maintaining financial flexibility. Every system is backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring reliable performance season after season. Getting started is simple. Fill out a short form and get qualified within 48 hours. Upgrade your lighting, preserve your capital, scale your operation with Fohse LED lighting as a service for commercial agriculture.